boy JD Nation 1 back with another video, man. About to take off the wheels, about to take the 26s off, man. I already got started. I want them off. They up for sale, matter of fact. I sell them. Yep. $5, 5 G's, you can come get them. Nothing wrong with them. Everything good. 33s. I'm gonna actually order some new ones, but we're gonna be down. We're not gonna ride next summer on it unless we go bigger and get a better theme. My wife's gonna be on the highway a lot more next summer, so don't want to ride them small on the highway and put on some big boys if she gonna ride again. But you know, we done for at least a year. Then we'll be back right after everybody happy and we ain't gotta get on the highway every time we turn around. Unless I can go find her another car to take back and forth to work. And if I can't find her another car, maybe she can drive my pickup or something. My Ram. Once I get that done, it'll be ready by the time she go start her highway traveling a lot. So I don't know, man. But I got the charger up at the shop right now, getting the alternator put on. I actually couldn't get the big 3 wiring done today. I got an appointment for the 7th though, so I'm gonna get that done on the 7th. But I'm gonna get the alternator put on by Rex right now. So other than that, I still need to get my wirings and stuff taken care of on the charger. But I know for sure Mike up at the Extra Mile, he gonna fix all that whenever I take to get the big 3 put on. So we'll be good to go. Maybe just having a new alternator on period might just fix the BS that I got going on right now. But I don't know, y'all stay tuned. After I get the wheels off, I'll show y'all a lot more. We'll talk a little bit more after that. 1 down, 3 more to go. I wish I could record the whole process, but I'm a one-man team. All right, man, it's all done. I got the wheels and stuff off. Ooh, I'm tired now. Quick process, but just a lot of work. I even took the 5th wheel off, just in case we ever catch a flat with it. Just boom, 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 switch it out real quick. But yeah, we're back good to go. Back in action. Next, we gotta go pick up the charger. Hopefully it'll be done today. I'm waiting on them to call me. He said he had one person ahead of me, and he was gonna knock mine out. So that should be simple. He should be about done now. I bought the smaller pulley, the belt, whatever you want to call it. I bought the smaller belt. But yeah, that monster. I want to paint her a different color so bad, but I want to get rid of her too. Man, I seen the Denali today up at the dealership, man, when we was riding past, and man, that bad boy had my name written all over it. So I don't know, I might go up there and talk to them, see what they talking about, but most likely I ain't making no moves no time soon. I got a lot of other stuff to get in order, which I know I can make it happen today, but it's all good. Anyways, I get back with y'all when I get up to, where we going? Not FedEx. When we get up to Rex Battery, and I'll let y'all basically see what's going on with the alternator and stuff, and walk you through a lot more of what we got to do next. So stay tuned. All right, now, anyways, got the new alternator in. I'm actually airing up the wife Jeep right now. It needed some air in it. All the other ones was on like 36. This one was off. So, yeah, that's the game plan. I'm gonna get this aired up, and then after I get done getting this aired up, I'm gonna show y'all everything they done. I'll pop the hood and stuff, and basically just let y'all see what we done, man. Still gotta get the big 3 put on the package. So, you know, that's another thing we gotta do. Like I said, I got an appointment for that in a couple of weeks. And we're gonna get this bad boy right, man. Definitely gonna get it right. All right, so anyways, this is the old alternator right here. It actually looked like it was kind of a little beat down, man. So next we gotta do the big 3. Put the big 3 on there. Go ahead and pop the hood for y'all real quick. done. That's a new bad boy on there. Got the smaller pulley on there. Everything look like it's going accordingly. Clean up all this stuff. Definitely sound a lot better. Brand new alternator. Now I just gotta add the extra stuff on there and I'll be good to go. Yep, add the extra stuff, I'll be good to go to make it happen. I need to close this back door, I guess. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. This thing be pulling. See, this thing right here got stuck. Straighten that thing out, man. Other than everything sound good, looking good, man. I'll catch y'all when I get back to the house. We'll talk a little more. Anyway, so I'm getting better and better at pulling them bad boys in. I want to show y'all a little footage of little dude shooting the hoop. Show him what you're working with, man. Mommy don't kill you first. Oh, 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 oh. He ain't gonna do that to y'all, man. Superstar. But yeah, man. I'm getting better and better. I actually could have scooted over a lot more, but I still got a lot of space for what I want to do. Got enough room to open up the garage. Both my babies are back home. And next time I pull her out, I'll be actually gonna get the big 3 upgrade. As far as that's basically the wiring and stuff, like I showed y'all earlier, the wiring. So I'm gonna get the big 3 upgrade. That should help out a lot with the big 3 upgrade. And then just basically just getting like my wires and stuff fixed to the point, because it's still something, it's a ground that's not right. It's a ground that needs some help to it. And I'm gonna fix it, I'm gonna get it right. We're gonna figure it out hopefully on the 7th. Hopefully it don't cost me too much, man, because I'm tired of doing this shit to this car. But it is what it is. So anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. It's your boy JD Nation 1, and I'm out.